So if you guys know me, then you would know that I am a foodie, definitely, and I love to cook. So this is where I am today, my kitchen, and I will be cooking sort of. I'll be making custard today, and this will be mango custard. And yeah, it is very simple. My friends loves when I make custard for them, and whenever the day comes, they always request me ki yaar custard bana de. So today I thought of sharing the recipe because they love it. So I thought you will also love it. It's very simple, very like chillax kind of a recipe. So keep on watching. Also, if you have noticed this mess, ignore it because I fell down. I met with an accident. I was playing with Ginger and I fell, and yeah, uh, don't laugh. Okay, you can. Now it's time for the custard powder. So this is the Pillsbury custard powder in vanilla, and this has how much? This is 100 grams, I believe. Where it is written, yeah. But I think I know that, yeah, this is 100-gram pack, and for the entire pack of 100 grams I need 1.5 liter of milk. And now I'll be boiling the milk because this is not boiled. I'll be boiling this milk and then I'll be preparing this. And what else I need, I'll be sharing soon. So I'll be needing some sugar. So this is sugar for my custard. Next thing I'll be needing are mangoes. Yes, because this is summer and I think I'll be adding few chunks of mangoes into my custard. Ginger always accompanies me. Hello. Hi Ginger, what's up? What's up? Ma? What's up? So, दूध बैठ चुका है. Mr. दूध is boiling. Yes. तो ये मैंने boil करके रखा हुआ है because I'll be making some papri chaat today. And yeah. So, mangoes. So milk is already boiled, it is switched off. This is another milk which we need for some thandai. So this is a separate thing. So the milk for custard is right here. It is, I'll just let the milk cool down for my custard. And here I have few slices, like a lot of slices, a lot of like chunky pieces of mangoes right here. And yeah. So let it cool down, the milk, and I'll start with making of the custard. So let me start. ये फिर से मैंने चूल्हे पे चढ़ा दिया है. It is like, you know, again on heat, and I'll be adding sugar. So I've taken this big katori, like a big bowl, and I'm adding one full, and now I'll be taking like 1/4. And yes, I think this is the sweetness, like this is the amount of sweetness my family needs. It depends on your taste, but like I think this much you need. So what will we do is, now I will just mix the whole sugar into this milk, okay, and that till then I'll just stir all the, like the milk frequently, and just simming this gas, so that it does not makes my milk, what would you say, it doesn't burn it. So now I've taken a little bit of milk, and I'm adding this whole packet of 100-gram custard powder, and I'll be mixing in this cold milk. Okay, this is separate. This is from the 150, like 1.5 liter of milk only. Okay, na. So I've taken a little bit of milk, like 250 ml or 200 ml of milk separately, so that I can mix the powder. Okay, you just need to mix the powder in cold milk. Okay, no sugar, nothing, in just cold milk. You need to just make sure that there is no lump or something. उसको अच्छे से like mix करने के बाद what you need to do is you need to just add this liquid into this sweetened hot milk. ठीक है, तो ये वाला जो milk जो चढ़ा हुआ है चूल्हे पे, this is sweetened, sugar दिया हुआ है, and this is hot. ठीक है, not boiling hot but it is hot and not cold. ठीक है, and now we will be adding slowly this cold milk along with the vanilla powder to this hot milk, and we will continuously stir this up. ठीक है ना, you have to continue stir this, वरना क्या होगा, बैठ सकता है, जल सकता है, it might burn the milk, it might stick to the vessel or whatever shit may happen, but you need to constantly just stir this up. And you can see like corn flour, this also sits, so before even pouring you need to just rigorously just mix it again and again, and then you can pour this up. Okay, this is so simple, this is so simple guys. So बस इतना ही काम है. Now you have to continue stirring, and till then you can see कि ये hard हो रहा है, it will become little harder, and आपको पता चलेगा कि ये form हो रहा है. This is hardening. Okay, and you'll feel कि yes, see, you can see in this what do you say, this kachi ladle whatever, उसमें थोड़ा सा hard part, because it is already starting to harden. All right. So now I will be adding the mangoes. I'm adding it with my own hand because ek haath se I'm just holding this camera and stuff, so yeah, it is difficult, and my hands are washed and clean and all those things. And I'm adding all those mangoes because I have a lot of milk, right? I need this amount of mangoes, at least 2 mangoes I think it was there. Now again I will be stirring the custard along with the mangoes. You can see it is already thickened, and now it will take a little bit of time and it will settle, and I'll leave this in the refrigerator after it cools down like to the normal temperature, to the room temperature, and then I'll be leaving this in the refrigerator so that it gets really cold and chilled, and it will taste awesome. You can add a lot of dry fruits as well. ये mango वाला बनाया मैंने. You can add apples, you can add raisins, you can add anything, any kind of fruit, dry fruits, कुछ भी, anything you feel like. You can add pomegranate, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You can add mixed fruit, grapes, like you can add anything, and even you can have it just like that. It will taste amazing. You can mix chocolates, like chocolate chips, anything that suits your taste, but you can definitely add this, and yeah, you're good to go. So finally I'm here with my mango custard. Let me just show you guys. This is how it looks. This looks so delicious. And let me do a taste test. And guys, this is such an easy recipe. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा easily हो जाता है. बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी सही है. if you have guests coming over, locally भी काफी सही है ना. You can add your touch. You can add any kind of fruit, chocolate chips, कुछ भी इसके साथ जा सकता है. And my mouth is watering. Let me just have this. Seasonal fruit and the custard. Amazing combination. Trust me, guys. You guys need to try this. Pure bliss. It's orgasmic. Trust me. And you know, in this way you can add your sweet touch कि यार मैंने कुछ बनाया है, ऐसा kind of feeling. Along with it, it's like hardly a matter of, you know, few minutes, like half an hour भी नहीं शायद इसको बनने में लगता है. तो so easy. My entire family loves custard. My friends and everyone, they are like mad whenever I make custard. या फिर whenever they come, they force me कि भाई custard बनाना. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share. And आज के लिए इतना ही. मैं ये पूरा ख़त्म करूँ और आप लोग जाके जल्दी से बनाओ and let me know. So don't forget to just. So yes, if you guys are on Instagram, then just do tag me if you have made the custard after watching my video. And yeah, so till then, don't forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress and follow me on Instagram, which is Pamela_Makeup Mistress. And stay gorgeous. Bye.